this is Deborah with the Aroma Delight Beauty Care Products, and today I am making an emulsified body butter. In the summertime, in the wintertime, usually I make a whipped body butter, but it tends to melt in the summertime because it's just too hot. So you go from being whipped to just creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and make an emulsified body butter. Right now, as you can see, I've got the camera on the pot. I'm actually melting my hard oils right now, and then I'm going to come back and once they're all melted and show you how it looks. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I've got my jars all sterilized, and I've got my my fragrance oils I'm using today. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use, but I'm going to be making a 32 ounces batch. I've got my oils here, and I just need to bring them up to like 180. If you use an unrefined oils and butters, you need to hold it just a little bit longer. So I have my water here. So as soon as this cools down to like 140, I'm going to be mixing my water into my oils. And I've already put my emulsifying wax into this and my stearic acid into this oil here. I'm just trying to make a shorter video, so, and like I said, it's not a tutorial, not to teach you how, it's just to show you how I do it. So as soon as it cools down a little bit, I'm going to bring you right back. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. I've got my waxes and my oils mixed together here, and they're pretty much ready to start to set up, get ready to emulsify them. I'm still waiting on my water a little bit here, so let's just see what. Okay, so I have some water here. I just need to make sure that it's going to be at 140. It's at 159, still a little bit too high. 159, 158. I need to get it down to 140, so bear with me here. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's at 138. It was at 140 a few minutes ago. I think that's close enough. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour this into my oils here. And as you can see, it's already changing colors there, and that's what it's supposed to do. So let me put my stick under here. And now I'm just going to use the immersion here and to just pick. And I'm not going to bore you with all the details here. I'm going to come back because I still have to let it cool down to like 110. Let it cool down before I can put the preservative and my fragrance oil in it. My preservative I'm using today, paraben free and formaldehyde free, and so is my paraben and formaldehyde free. So I'll be back. I don't want to bore you with this video, and I'm going to try to keep this video short, but I just want to show you how I make my emulsified body butter. Okay. Hi, this is Deborah, and I'm back with the finished product with the emulsified body butter. It feels amazing. This is the right consistency that I was shooting for. Earlier I said that when in the summertime when you have whipped body butter, that it melts and turns into cream. Well, it doesn't melt and turn into cream. It melts and turns back into oil. So this is why I did emulsifying, so that it would stay creamy and have a nice consistency through the summer when I'm doing the farmer's market, and I don't have to worry about it melting, because when you do whipped body butter, say for instance this is a 2-ounce jar. When you do whipped body butter, you might only going to get 1 ounce or 0.90 ounces, because when you whip it, all the air gets into it and it make it light and fluffy, and it feels good and it looks good. But in the summertime it turns back into oil because it's just too hot. So with the emulsifying whipped body butter, well, it's not whipped anymore, but with the emulsified body butter, it's going to take me through the summer without any problems, and it's going to stay with the nice same consistency, and I love it. And like I said, it feels amazing on the skin. It goes on really well, and it feels nice. So after you get a shower, or just when your skin feels really dry, you just put a little bit on, and it's not too greasy. Actually, it's not really oily at all. It just feels really silky. So I love, love, love this emulsifying body butter. I've made it before, and it sells out really fast, but last summer I didn't do it, and it was pretty hard. I was, losing my butter because it was like just turning into oil. So we can't have that this time. So I'm ready for the farmer's market now, and all that 90 to 100 degrees heat, rain or shine. I like to be there. Okay, thank you. I don't want to take up any more of your time. Thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.